Let's use the analysis to define a service for searching patients. The service Searching Patient Controller is almost fully exclusive. Let's see the non-exclusive classes detected by the static analysis. Static analysis identified 31 exclusive classes for Searching Patient Controller. The non-exclusive classes are address and record. Let us look into both of them. Both classes are in the package com.oracle.medrec.model, which is part of the data persistency layer. Since this is foundational, let us mark the entire package as infrastructure. As a consequence, this package and all of its content will be moved to the common jar, which serves as a shared library containing all infrastructure classes. Now that we moved the package, the list of non-exclusive classes is empty. The Searching Patient Controller service exclusivity is 100%. Let us look into Jack's WS Patient Facade Broker. It has a single entry point, which is the method fuzzy find approved patient by last name and SSN. The entry point is called from the root. If we want to have one service to search patients, then we should merge this service with Searching Patient Controller. Let's merge it by dragging one sphere on top of the other. The analysis is merging the two services. The static analysis takes a bit more time to complete. Now we have one service for searching patients with 100% class exclusivity. Let us look at the resource exclusivity. We see the bean Method Parameter Validation Impl as non-exclusive. Let's mark this bean as infra. The service is completely exclusive. Rename the service to PatientSearch. We specified a service for searching patients, and it may seem like we are done. However, as we will see in the next video, we need to revise the scope of the service more carefully.